Hi guys, and welcome along to this video, this vlog, and it is called the Snow Storm vlog. As you can see behind me, the field is covered in snow. And now if you're watching from Canada or Norway or one of these countries, you might say what's the big deal about snow, but we don't get much snow here in Ireland, and so this is a bit of a big deal. And so I'm just going to show you around. This is my garden and it's covered in snow, as you can see, and the bit of daffodils there, they don't look that healthy, if you can see them there. And there's the garden shed covered in snow, and I actually should have brought out the book The Snowman, but I can't find it, and I would have did Joe Nesbo The Snowman book review, because it would have been pretty cool doing a book review in the snow. So as you can see, all snow here and all over the place. So it's pretty cool. I feel like I'm in a Nordic noir thriller with all the snow around the place. And let's just... shall we build a snowman? I've no tripod with me, so I'll give that a skip. And just look at the background there. It's like an ice rink in HL style. And I'll just put the phone down here so you can see that's my gravel. That's usually stones. So, as you can see, this is a pretty white video. White all around, snow all around. So I hope you like this video, everyone. And if you do, give it a big like and subscribe to my channel. And I just did this video to, if people from Ireland or anywhere just wanted to see what it was like during the snowstorm here in Cork, well, I hope you had a good insight by watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.